1 can of tomato sauce, or crushed tomatoes is what I use. And then you use a 12-ounce tomato paste, a little bit of olive oil, bay leaf. Then we're going to take our garlic powder and we're going to do 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to take onion powder and do the same. 1 teaspoon. I'm going to take the red pepper flakes, and you can choose to not put this in at all or just whatever you want. That was 1/4 teaspoon. We have basil leaves. I'm going to use a teaspoon. You're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Half teaspoon of oregano. Give it a good stir and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours.